Welcome to this image trace tutorial. And before you get started, just make sure that you've scanned in your image and that you've saved it as a JPEG. And once you've done that, you just open up Adobe Illustrator, you go to File, go to Place, select your JPEG image, click Place, and then just click and drag your image. I've got a coffee cup that I quickly sketched, so I'm going to show you how to apply image trace. You can do it by selecting the button on the toolbar at the top, but I prefer to do it by going to Window, Image Trace, and then you'll see that it will bring up this toolbar which has all the settings that you can access. So in order to activate this, you can click on the artboard, so click outside the image, then click back on the image, and you'll see this is lighted up. So you then need to select the type of image trace that you want to apply. Today I'm going to be doing a sketch trace. So you just select it. And as you can see, it's quickly just done a trace easily, just like that. And it's even taken out the background of my image, which is amazing. So it's transparent. And you can then go through all the options on here just to check to see just so you can make it look better. Basically, the threshold is the most important one. With this, the lower you go, I'll show you. If you go lower, you apply more white on your image, so you'll see some of the black has come away. And obviously if you go higher, then you're going to get more black in your image. So I'm going to keep it around, say, 126. And you've got paths here, so if you want to apply a bit more paths, corners, noise, so if you want a bit more detail, you can do that. You can also simplify your image even more. So if I press that, see it's kind of tidied it up a little bit, but not much because of the type of image it is. Also, you can decrease the amount of anchor points. So the less anchor points you have, then your file's going to be smaller. So that's a good thing. So you can actually just play around with it and see how far you get. Obviously that's gone a bit too far, so maybe if I stay around the 80s, yeah, stay around 84, that'll be fine. And once you've made all the changes, all you need to do is click expand. So that basically allows you to edit your image. So when you go to edit it, you'll notice that when you click on it, it's not allowing you to access certain parts of the image. So it's obviously grouped, so you have to ungroup it. So if you go to object, ungroup, and then you can select whatever you want and start doing your edits. So that's it, folks. If you need help with anything else in Illustrator, just drop me a comment and let me know so I can get that video done for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that your creative journey runs smoothly.